We're going to do a brief video on algo trading versus FOREX, and we've got a chart up here of the USD versus JPY, the dollar against the Japanese yen. We're going to take a look at that real quick and then compare it to our algorithmically generated prices, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Stick with me to the very end and I'll show you how you can get it all absolutely free, no credit card required. Let's take a look at this chart real quick and ask ourselves a simple question. As busy as we are, how are we going to determine where and when it's a good time to buy a particular currency? Now we have the dollar versus the yen up here, but obviously there's a lot of other currencies, and I'll show you 7 different pairs in a minute. If you look at this chart and you try to determine with moving averages on here, we've got a 5-day, a 20-day, and a 200-day moving average. It can be overwhelming to do this just for one currency, much less do it for the 7 major currencies. Because keep in mind, you're not looking to buy a currency, you're looking to make money. And if you have a particular reason to trade the US dollar versus the yen, that's fine. But if you're looking to make money, you want to look at the major FOREX pairs and see which is the best, most attractive to buy or short at any given moment. So that's the problem. The solution is you can continue to do this for each major FOREX pair every night, take probably 2 hours going through it, or you can get yourself some algo trading resources and pursue that. So let's take a look at what RBAM Research offers. We have every morning before 7 a.m. algorithmically generated prices that we post on our website, rbamresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. You can see these are out for Monday the 26th, and they come out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Now these algorithmically prices are broken down by holding period. So you have a 1-day, a 2-day, a 5-day, a 10-day, and a 20-day holding period. You're not supposed to do it, but you can day trade with the 1-day column. You just have to watch it all day, of course. And keep in mind, these are all for entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You have to do your own analysis. But in general, these give you a really idea what's going on with the markets. And if you tune in every day and check them out, you'll have a good idea of where the opportunities are in the major FOREX pairs. We cover the yen, we cover the euro, we cover the Aussie dollar, the British pound, the Canadian dollar, the Swiss franc, and we cover the New Zealand dollar. And you'll notice we have buys and shorts, or buys or shorts, every day for each pair. We have one or the other for each pair, and again, the 5 different holding periods. So when you compare algo trading versus FOREX, we're looking at a way to see all of the major pairs in just a few less than 15 or 20 seconds here. We can see and determine exactly what we want to do with exact entry prices. For example, we can see that tomorrow you wouldn't necessarily want to short the euro. You might want to short the yen. If you want to buy, you might want to short the you might want to buy the euro and not try to buy the yen, because over time you're going to see that these algorithmically generated prices can keep you straight in terms of direction and so forth. Again, you have to do your own analysis, but there's an enormous time savings here in using algorithmically generated prices. So these algo trading versus FOREX, traditional FOREX technical analysis, you just can't beat the algo trading. Now, how do you get them? It's simple. You just go to rbamresearch.com, and we have a link in the description below. They're absolutely free, no credit card required. They're updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, but usually we put them out by sometimes by 8 o'clock, sometimes before 8 o'clock. Always after 6 p.m. So sometimes when I say 8 o'clock, I mean 8 p.m. the night before. So sometimes by 6 p.m., sometimes by 8 p.m. the night before, but definitely before 7 a.m. So if you check in the night before, and if you're trying to do them early before you go to bed, you can take a look and get them before the market opens. Keep in mind, the currency pairs trade all night long, and that's why we put them out as soon as we can for the next day. But of course, the market trades through the night. Again, rbamresearch.com, link in the description below, no credit card required. In addition to the currencies, we cover 190 stocks, the BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. They're all available under the same program. You just register with your email address at rbamresearch.com and get them all for free. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have some comments on algo trading or FOREX, please leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. And keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use our analysis or entry prices for anything other than entertainment. You have to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.